Hey, this is Scott Leroy, and today I'm going to show you how you can find your preferred vendors or preferred partners to put on your About page of your website. So inevitably, the preferred partners will typically, in some cases, show up on here in the top right if you have that displaying. This is where the office can go through and actually update these. So you can see on here are some that we have for this one location. We can go through and get that displaying on our site right away. So what we're going to do is click on the website applet at the bottom left. So let me open this up to make it easier to see. So we'll click on the website applet. And this is going to take us over to the back end of our website for us to take advantage of. So what we want to do on here is click on Manage Website. And this is going to take us over to the website. So, in most cases, we could typically go through and add in pages and everything. But we're going to go into expert mode so we can edit the pages. So let's click on expert mode at the top right. All right, so I selected expert mode on here. And now in the back end of the website, back end of our site on here, it'll be our personal website, or if you have a team, you can also switch between the team site. We're then going to click on the About the Agent default page. So if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see About the Agent. It might just say About on there if you've made any updates, but this is the default page for About the Agent. And when I select that About the Agent, there's going to be a section on here for My Preferred Vendors. So what we want to do in this case under My Preferred Vendors is make sure we select the Show Market Center Partners. Because once we show the Market Center Partners, this My Preferred Vendors section will change over to actually, show the Office Partners on there. All right, and you can add inside additional vendors if you want to as well, but having this selected will automatically display those Market Center Partners for you right away, so that way you'll have access to it immediately. Now let's see if it's updated on here. It hasn't quite yet, but as long as you select this on here and say to show the Market Center Partners, you'll have access to that right away. And that's it. All right, so now when you're on the About page, those will pop up, and that'll help out tremendously, not only for yourself, but for the Market Center as well, too. So there you go. So there is your KW Tech Tip for the day.